It's JT back with another super quick video, man. It is Wednesday, April 15th. It's about 10:16 a.m. As you can see so far for today, we are at 313, well, 313, which is where I'm from, Detroit. Shout out to Detroit, but 313.50 for today. Yesterday was crazy. We had I must got a viral video or something, or two or three going right now because I was just making uh shit $300 to $500 a day, and then yesterday shit started to pick up like crazy. So what a time. Yesterday 1440 50 cent. So far for the month we are at 8,888.30 cents, which is nice. So we looking so far so good. I mean, if I keep up this results like over $1,000 a day, I could end this month over let me see, because it's about like 15 16 days left in April. I can end the month over 20K, which would be nice, all organic. But no, that's not why I'm making this video. I have a huge announcement right now. I've got a few things that I'm promoting. I normally don't even do stuff like this, but it's a lot going on right now. So first things first, I am launching this Autopilot traffic system to only 5 people. I have 5 accounts just like my Make Money with JT. I'm not about to share the other accounts until you get inside the Autopilot traffic system, because yeah, I show this account because that's what I use for YouTube and things like that. So I don't mind showing this one, but I have a few other accounts. I got 5 other accounts that I'm promoting on, just like this one. What am I saying? Oh, Autopilot traffic system. I just thought of something. I was about to sell a few more accounts. I'm selling an account in this video, but instead of selling accounts, some people might want something more convenient. Like a spot in my link rotator. So you can see if you click the link in this bio, if you go to Make Money with JT, I'm only promoting my website. So I'm like, damn, a lot of people buy a course, don't ever put no work into it, or buy an account, don't put no work into it. But wouldn't you like for me to just promote it? Just having a spot inside of my link tree right here, where it's completely autopilot. And on top of that, whoever purchases within the next 24 hours, mind you, I'm only giving this away to only 5 people. I'm selling 5 spots for $250 if you paying with your debit card like you normally would pay for a course, or $200 if you paying via PayPal. Uh, yeah, so that'd be lifetime access to the traffic that I get on my personal accounts that I use. Like I said, this is the main account that I use for YouTube, but I have about 5, 6 other ones that I run personally. Then I got my team; they working on accounts and things like that. So yeah, I basically call it the Autopilot traffic system, where you just pay and you get a spot inside of my bio, my account. I'm only selling this to 5 people, working with those people closely. So it's kind of like a passive income stream, if you will. Yeah, passive income stream. You pay, get your link. All I would need is your affiliate link. That's pretty much it. And I will give you 5 offers between Max Bounty and ClickBank. So if you got one of those, you in the money. Let me see. That's that. I'm trying to see if I missed anything. I left the payment links because if the links are still up, the spots is open. So like I said, I'm only selling this to 5 people because I want to test out something on the testimonial side of things. I'm working on something else right now. So yeah, I got 5 spots for the Autopilot traffic system, and might as well, for like 5 to 10 videos, I'll promote your affiliate link directly inside of my videos, so you would get the traffic from the actual videos, as well as my spillover traffic. So you're getting the best of both worlds. And I will leave the payment links down below. Like I said, if you're paying with a credit card, it'll be $250, and then if you send it via PayPal, it'll only be $200 if you send it via family and friends. Payment instructions down below. That's one of the things I wanted to get out the way. Next one I wanted to get out the way is this account. I think this is like the last account that I got for sale. I didn't even get a chance to post the other accounts on my YouTube channel that was for sale because people was buying them before I even had a chance to make a video selling them. So this is the last one I got left. I'm only selling this for $27. You can send it via PayPal. Once the account is brought, I will take the link. I will take the instructions out from there, so you won't even have to ask me if the account is still available. Once it's gone, it's gone. The last ones, like I said, I didn't even get a chance to make a YouTube video to promote the accounts I have for sale. It's the last one I got. It's USA, of course. It's instantly monetizable. So once you get inside the account, you'll be able to take out my thinkremote.org link and put yours. Good to go. Um, that's that. So like I said, this account is only $27. The autopilot traffic system between 250, between 200 to 250, depending on how you're paying. And then the last thing, of course, is the Project 7. I haven't made an update video yet since the first launching, but just know it's here. It's $27 a month. This is going to be my ongoing project from here on out. I'm not making no more courses. Everything is going inside of the Project 7. I got everything in here, man. I'm going to be going over every single thing, man. And then I also got some Instagram stuff I've been working on, organic, that's going to add, I'm about to add into Project 7 and Module 3 in particular. So yeah, if you want to just go look at the modules, Module 1, you can pause it. I'm not about to read all that. TikTok, Module 2 is TikTok. Module 3 would be Instagram. Module 4 would be YouTube. Module 5 would be search traffic. Module 6 would be back channel traffic. I'll explain what that is inside the members area. Module 7 is the paid traffic system. Module 8, email marketing. Module 9, funnels that print. Module 10, monetization stack. Module 11, automation and scaling. Module 12 would be live breakdowns. And then the bonus module, which would be the Project 7 files, all the scripts and templates that I use to run my empires. So, yeah, of course, Project 7 is $27 a month. You can cancel at any time with instant access, man. So, like I said, autopilot traffic system. You can pay with your card. It'd be $250 if you send it to me via friends and family on PayPal. It'd only be $200. Payment instructions down below. I got this work from home with 7 account. If you want a USA monetizable account, it's only $27. You get access to it. You get the login right away. You can send that via PayPal, and I'll get you squared away. And then, of course, last but not least, we got Project 7, which is my baby, man. So links will be in the description down below. If you got any questions, post them. I'm trying my best to get back to y'all. But yeah, I got to run. So I will see y'all in the next video later today, probably.